Welcome back to IBS's Aero YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. K. Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Sanjay Godavat University, Maharashtra. This is my third video in YouTube channel about drone series. First videos I gave information about drone classifications and applications. In my second video, I explained about components and functions of the drone. In this video, I would like to share information about future scope in drone field. Outcome of the presentation is you will learn about the different sectors of opportunities available in drone field like drone farmer, wildlife conservationist, delivery or fulfillment pilot, search or rescue worker, energy inspector, drone journalist, police drone operator, drone assisted property manager, research and development, entrepreneurship. So these are the different sectors are having huge amount of job opportunities in drone field. Next scope is that Association of Unmanned Vehicle Systems International. They predicted that 1 lakh new job opportunities are going to come in the drone field by the year of 2025. New drone jobs will be created across a wide span of industries, not only in India, entire world. First one is that drone farmer. If you are having the drone pilot license, means you can work as a drone farmer. In that, what you are going to do is you have to use the drone equipped with infrared imaging cameras to create a detailed maps of crops. If farmer is having some huge amount of land, so in that land they have to monitor the crop growth and everything, means they can use the drone. So these drones programmed with GPS coordinates to fertilize the plants that need it most. This drone will capture the image of that entire crop. Wherever that a crop growth is very low, on that places it will spray the fertilizers and it will make the even amount of growth in crop. That is the work you have to do. Next is that wildlife conservationist. In that you have to monitor, protect and collect data on fragile species or wildlife animals in danger zone across the planet using drone only. In that, suppose if we are using that humans to capture the images or anything, means their life will be in the danger. To avoid such kind of situations, at the same time you have to monitor the activities of wildlife animals, means you have to use the drone. So these opportunities also available for drone pilots. Next is that delivery or fulfillment pilot. Pilot unmanned aircraft to deliver packages and supplies to the homes of private customers or between the company warehouses. Amazon, Flipkart, they are planning to utilize the drone for delivery their product from their locations to the customer's home, or otherwise in between that company if they want to transfer, means they are planning to use it. So in that also you are going to get lot of job opportunities. Next is that search and rescue worker. If any disasters happened, it may be the flood or fire or anything, means usually that rescue team will go and recover the people. Suppose if the locations are humans will not enter, so such kind of bad situations, means we can send the drone will locate the people. So with the help of drone we can identify the persons and we can recover from that issues. That opportunity is also available. Next is that energy inspector. Use drone equipped with thermal cameras to detect leaks along oil pipelines or to monitor and inspect turbine blades on wind farm. These kind of energy inspector, they will use the drone and they will monitor the performance of like a EB line or the wind turbine or pipeline. So like that different industries they are planning to use in future. Already they are using, some companies already they started using, in future they are planning to use more companies. Next is that drone journalist to capture breaking news footage from above with camera equipped unmanned aircraft. That journalism people, they are suppose if any breaking news are happening means they have to collect the video or photography of that incident. That is a little bit difficult to capture with the help of human. So in that places they can use the drone to capture the activities or whatever breaking news, they can capture it. Already some news channels are started using this drone, and remaining news channels they are planning to use it in future. In that field also a lot of opportunities are there. Next is that GIS, geographic information system mapping technician. That opportunity also there. They will use drones to map out remote or hard to reach areas of the earth for scientific studies and commercial research. In the geographic information related data, if they want to collect from the mountain or from underwater or wherever, they are planning to use the drone. So to operate the drone, they need a technician. In that field, also a lot of opportunities are there. Next is that police drone operator drag fugitives, monitor large crowd, and keep people safe using drone technology. Even in India, during these pandemic situations, also they used a drone and monitor the people's activities and everything. Like that, in future also they are planning to add more drones in police field. Next is that a drone assisted property manager. In that, inspect and survey the hard to reach exterior of a home with unmanned aircraft or create dynamic real estate listing with drone. Suppose if they are constructing any tall building and they want to monitor the work activities or they want to do the land survey, in future they are planning to use the drone. In that field also a lot of opportunities are there. Next is that research and development. Research and development means it will include activities that companies undertake to innovate and introduce new drone and new drone services. Lot of research is going on because the drone is used in defense purpose and commercial purpose, like that everywhere drone is going to use. So lot of research and development activities are going on. In that field also huge amount of opportunities are there for drone related engineers. Next is that entrepreneurship. In that, if you want to do business in drone related activities means drone services or drone selling, you can purchase the drone from the supplier and you can sell it, or you can make you can place on repair shop, so people will come and repair or do the services of the drone. That option also available. Next is that drone components manufacturing. In that, nowadays few components of the drone, particularly some sensors, which is not available in India. For that, we are depending on the foreign countries. You suppose if you want to start any business or anything means you can start that drone components manufacturing, like that you can plan. Next is that drone license school, drone pilot license. In future, drone is going to play the major role. So if you want to start any business means you can start one drone flying school. So that opportunity is also available. Particularly in India, a lot of state governments they are planning to recruit drone pilot for various activities. So huge amount of opportunities there are there in future. Today, it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. So you have to do lot of hard work and effort to win or to get the success in your field. Thank you one and all listen to my videos. So kindly share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.